What's up, guys? It's Anthony from Iconic Image. As you can see, and today I'm going to do a video of an unboxing. I'm pretty sure you know from the title, it's Icy Park shoes, so stick around.
If you're looking for the hottest photos, trying to shoot a dope ass video, you ain't gotta look no more. You got what you've been searching for. You are now rocking with the best. Iconic images. You are now rocking with the best. Iconic images. Yeah.
Okay, let's start with a little baby blue box. Okay. Oh, it says Adidas on this side and Ivy Park on this side. It's dope. I love the packaging. Packaging is real dope. Listen, sidebar. Beyonce, this box would have some ice cubes, some. Listen, this box right here not even wet to indicate that it was nowhere near ice. So, where's my QB? I mean, where is it? Expecting to, do my video and drop the ice and break the shoes out of it. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Send my box next time. I appreciate you. Love you. So, these are actually the girl ones, kind of. Gucci had them on too, so don't judge. Don't judge me. Judge somebody else. But anyway, I wear a 11. These are a 11 and a half. Normal, my boy size is a 9 to a 9. No, 9.5 to a 10. Sorry. But let's get to it. Get all the talking. It's dope. So the box actually slides open. This is dope. The box slides open. I'll put that over here. Comes with a dust cover. This is dope. I can appreciate a dust cover, okay? All high-end classy shoes come with a dust cover, I feel like. So, alright, come with a dust cover. It's dope. Wow. It's huge. Look at, can you compare it? Just on my own. Can you, look at that. Somebody look at this. This is a damn cat drinking. Somebody look at this. These are huge. Wow. Y'all see these? Wow. I like them though. They're very different. And being stuff, I love new scent of shoes. There's paper in there. Let's see. These are huge, but I like them. Anything else? I mean, that big old box. B, you could have sent me one of the twins in the box. I mean, but it took care of them. Just listen. You ever need me to babysit? I'm here. Okay. But wow, here they go. These are. They're dope. This is dope. What is this? It's like a lanyard for the keys. I guess, maybe. Who knows? That's what I'm going to use it for. It says Ivy Park on it. So yeah, let's hook that back onto there and try these things on. So don't judge me right now. I have incredible socks on. Don't judge me. Try them on though. Let's try them on. Oh my, they feel so good, so comfortable. Wow. Listen, I have these. I ordered a duffel bag. I'll do a video on the duffel bag. And I also, I think it's a shirt I ordered, but we'll see. I'm gonna send these videos out as they come in. But these so far, I like it. I like it a lot. Let's see. Wow. pretty sure when I stand up, I'm going to be another foot taller. These soles is huge. Look at the soles. Huge. Wow. They're so comfortable though. Oh, let me see. I'm pretty, look, well, you guys can't see. I'm pretty sure I'm a foot taller. Wow. They feel amazing. But, wow. But, this is the unboxing. They feel amazing, guys. If you don't have them, get them. So, for this channel, our reviews are going to be a little bit different because we're a photography company / video company. We do a little bit of everything. So you're going to see a little bit of everything on this channel. So stick with us, stick around. And yeah, this is not the end of the review because I'm about to make a whole content video. I told y'all I'm bringing y'all the content for the rest of my life. So stick around. Content for these shoes on its way.